Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. I will be talking about one bag travel. I've been on the hunt for the ultimate travel backpack to take on our trips. We packed super minimally and I think I've found it. It's in this box. But first, welcome to the channel. My name is Alex. This is Redbeard Adventure, and on this channel I do literally whatever is trending in my brain at the moment. I create videos about that. How to travel vlogs with family and gear reviews just like this. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Alright, because I do so much travel with my travel partner, dun dun dun. Hello, travel partner. Hello.
I know, I'm almost...
Pay attention.
Oh my god.
We are looking at bags we've used in the past and what I think is the ultimate travel backpack right now. Alright, let's start with something simple, really quick. So this Low Pro camera bag is something that we bought because it has laptop pouch and a tablet pouch, and then the top opens up. It has a little bit of organization on the inside. I'm not going to get too into detail. I can do a full review on this later if you would like. And then there's a subfloor or a divider, whatever you want to call it, into this side access pouch that has a smaller bag for a camera. It also fits our drone. We take this bag whenever we're going on a short hike, you know, a couple of hours, 3, 4, 5 miles with the kids. We want to take the drone, we want to take the camera, we want to take a few snacks. It has a water bottle holder or a tripod holder on the side, a couple of clips and other little areas to store small knickknacks. But this is not a good long-term travel bag. We've taken this, but in addition to like a suitcase or other backpacks when we've gone.
It just doesn't fit everything. It's not big enough.
Yeah, it's not big enough. And it is kind of, in my opinion, a little heavy by itself.
Okay.
So,
I don't think the straps are comfortable to wear like for a long period of time, personally.
yeah, it does have a waist strap too, like a little flimsy one just to like keep it from flopping, but it doesn't give you any support and it does get uncomfortable. So the next bag is, which one do you want to do? Do yours.
Okay.
So Megan's backpack.
So this backpack I got for free. I went to a very special invite-only conference called Disney Social Media Moms Celebration.
This is my channel and it's about the bag, not about your adventures. So stick to the bag. But
you should follow my channel. Follow the link below, and I have all sorts of adventures. Disney sponsors me all the time, and on one of my Disney-sponsored trips, I got this bag, and I was kind of like, oh, another backpack? I don't need another backpack, but I fell in love with this bag. It is a Samsonite bag, and it's like a transformer. It has a million different pockets, and it is lightweight, and the straps are super thick, and there's all this extra padding in the back, so even if you like stuff it, it's still like super comfortable. So side pockets that zip. You can leave them open and put like a whole water bottle in there or something. And then in the front you have a little tiny, very tiny little pocket. Another little pocket here with mesh pockets inside of it, which is nice. You have this big front pocket. Not a lot of room in there, but then you open up this whole thing. And you can put a tablet here. You have a little zipper mesh pocket here. A little place for like pens.
Did that fit like a floppy disk?
Oh, yes.
If you ever needed a floppy disk.
If it was $19.99 again. There's another little pocket. Oh, like a card. And then there's a little place for like credit cards if you wanted to use this area as a wallet. And then there's this other secret pouch that I put.
I'll give you a shout out really quick.
Follow Meg4it.com. And then it has, this really sturdy handle on the top, and then the huge inside has all these slits and pockets. Ooh, a pen.
For laptops and different various items.
And then
instant coffee.
The back, oh, that's from Europe. The back has a laptop slit that is very lovely.
So the good thing about like laptop pouches is when you're going through security, like you don't want to have to disturb everything in your bag to get your laptop out. So that's one thing I like about that bag. But it's just, for me, it works perfect for you.
I love it.
Because your clothes are a little smaller.
True.
I don't know if that's why or not, but I feel like I need a little bit bigger bag. My clothes are bigger, and then I but I do carry most of the camera gear and stuff in my bag too, and I want to be able to fit everything all in one. So this bag, next. So this bag, this is a, I can't even read it. Was a
Tap into your inner German. You know you have German genes.
So this bag was, you were upset at me when I bought this bag. I bought this bag
because
like
we were in the middle of being like
ago.
super minimalists at this time, and I was mad that he was bringing anything in through the front door. Okay,
but I ordered this bag on Amazon. It was like $23 on Amazon. I don't know the size, like in liters, but it is a fairly big like backpack. It has waist straps to help support the weight. But the negative about this backpack is it's shaped like a backpack, which is fine, but you kind of lose some storage capabilities because it like tapers and gets narrower to the top.
Yeah.
All the little small pockets, like this is kind of cool, but like when it's full, like it's kind of useless. It's hard to use this pocket when the bottom's full. Like
it's pretty much
it's kind of like one or
there.
Another, and the zippers are like super cheap and hard to like maneuver, and you always feel like you're gonna break them.
I mean, it is a $20.
It has started to like fall apart. I do feel like on the shoulders this wears really well, but the shoulder straps are starting to come off. The waist straps are great, but I just felt like we needed a little more room. The weight of this bag is perfect. It's not heavy at all.
Yeah.
But while I'm talking like super negative about this thing, it has been, let's see, we bought it and then we went out west. So we camped in a van for a week. And we went to the Grand Canyon, to Bryce Canyon, to Zion Canyon. We hiked the Narrows with this backpack. We hiked Angel's Landing with this backpack. We took it like to Disney a bunch of times, all our road trips. We took it to Europe. So this is the only bag that I took to Europe. London, Rome, and Paris. So this $25 backpack is pretty phenomenal. But I still feel like
it's just time to upgrade.
Yeah, I could do a little better. So
loud.
That brings us to this.
The size worries me.
It's just the box. You know what? I wasn't expecting anything else big, so I'm just assuming this is the backpack.
What if it's not the backpack?
Well, then we'll see you in different clothes at a later date. It is. Alright. This is...
I love the color.
Beautiful color. This is the REI ruckpack 40 liter. They make a 65 liter, and I was so torn and seriously considering the 65. But the reviews I saw on YouTube and online, like, they could not commit that it would pass for carry-on every single time. Like, if you like connect with a gate agent and like smile and you're polite, like they'll probably let you on. But if they needed to question you, like, you would lose for sure. The ruckpack 40 checks all the boxes and fits all the carry-on luggage requirements, and that's one of our things with one bag travel and all of our minimalist traveling. We do not check luggage.
Such a waste of time.
I think, when did we check luggage? We didn't even check luggage. We mailed a box of randomness back from Vegas.
Oh no, we had to check the drone in Jamaica. Or we had to check something in Jamaica. Oh, you bought a knife.
Oh, I bought a knife in Jamaica. Here, it's right here. It's not there. One of the kids probably took it.
No, it's up there.
It's up there. I bought a knife in Jamaica, so I couldn't carry that on. So we're like, okay, let's just check it. And so we checked the bag on the way back from Jamaica.
Yeah.
But with good reason. All right.
I'm so in love with the color of the straps.
Yeah, the
and
color's pretty great.
Green, it's gorgeous.
It is.
It's not like army green. It's like a deep, beautiful. The sound on the table is so.
Foresty green. I'm worried that.
What side is the top? Oh, okay.
This is the top. So, ruckpack 40. Here, we can get it kind of quiet by going over one of the features. So let's start with the outside of this bag. Megan already loves the color.
I do.
So straps, load lifters, very, very durable sternum strap and hip straps. So I can already tell you, like, the one thing if I'm gonna try to find complaints, like as I go through this, there's no pocket or anything on the hip straps, but that's good and bad. Like, pockets are just one extra little place to put little things. So
Yeah.
I think I'm fine without there being
Loose things
hip.
easy.
Like I'll just use my pockets on my pants. So let's, in order to quiet this thing down a little bit, we'll look at the first feature, which
Oh, it's yeah.
right here. All right, so this comes like this.
This is kind of cool. You can hide it all. How is it gonna get past this way?
It's not.
Oh.
I just watch and learn. Instant silence.
Kind of. This is pretty cool. You can like hide all the straps. And then you can use this like, it's like a duffel bag.
All right.
That is so cool.
So all the straps zip up in there, and you can, like Megan said, use it as a duffel bag, or you can carry it like, you know, in front of you if you're walking down the aisle on a plane. So looking at this thing, not a whole lot of, I feel like I'm going super fast because I'm kind of excited. Not a whole lot of external storage. There is one small top pocket here.
Oh, that
So-
is. How deep is that?
No,
Oh.
it's like super narrow, like 1.5 inches deep.
Is it insulated?
Yeah, well, yeah. I guess you could call it insulated. So you can put your snacks and headphones. Like I have a little headphone case that I'll slip in there for easy access. Some side pockets here, and the cool.
How far is it?
So this
Oh, wow.
has some side organization. You can see there. That goes super deep. This one goes. Oh, that's like a fleece pocket, so you can put your phone in there.
Oh wow.
And then on the inside of that is another little kind of hidden pocket. It looks like a, for sure, passports and stuff.
Oh, I thought the same exact thing. The
I
pocket
don't
within
steal
the
my
pocket.
thunder.
Inception. The pocket within the pocket.
Other side. Let's talk about these. Water bottle pouch.
Oh, it extends.
It extends and then it will zip flat when you're not using it for a water bottle. So there's one of those on both sides. And then this side pocket here.
The same. It's not.
So it has a divider that gives you like a side pocket, but also you can access. So there's a side pocket here where you can access. It looks like the main compartment of the bag.
Cool.
Also, so not so completely sure I'd use that for anything
I feel like
unless
everything might fall
like,
out.
well, I don't think it'd fall out, but like could use like I don't know, camera access or something there. Maybe. Compression straps that hook and will cinch it down. It's got these here. These are like
Poles?
trekking
For hiking pole?
trekking pole,
Oh, cool.
hiking pole.
What about?
And they took away.
Could you somehow rig like a tripod?
Yeah, I probably could figure out how to. Yeah, I could hook the tripod to that. Might be a little clunky. Probably hook it to that on the top and then stick the tripod and the water bottle holder on the other side. All right. Deep breath. So getting into the main compartment of the bag. So the top folds down, but remember the shoulder straps are here. So the zipper comes all the way around behind the bag so that like nobody can get into it super easily if it's on your back or anything. It also has a way to lock it, so they're lockable zippers. And let's look. So it zips down.
What?
I'd call it 3/4 of the way. And flips open.
Hello. So. Okay. That's crazy.
I feel like it'll like not stretch out, but it'll relax a little bit like after we start packing it and stuff. But it opens up. There is a, which I believe I will take out and leave out, rain fly. Because the bag is water resistant, it's not waterproof. This is a waterproof cover, but it does take up a little room on the inside, and I don't. For this trip, next trip, I don't feel like we'll be getting super wet. So
I wonder why they chose this bright blue.
just because. So
Silica.
I like it.
Wow. I love when
You
this
can-
can stretch. Look at that.
Well, that's for like a water bladder.
Yeah.
If you're gonna use it for hiking.
Oh, look, there's another.
But
Oh, that's the
also-
other zipper. What is this zipper? Oh, that's the zipper for like the padding, I think.
It's like
Another secret compartment.
but more so for the padding.
Yeah.
So this will work for a laptop. It's not like super padded, but it's padded enough and it would be against my back that I'll definitely trust it for a laptop.
Yeah, look at this little.
There is, let's see. Oh, okay, so a little pouch here just to maybe toiletries or something you don't want to fall.
Actually, that's perfect for toiletries right there.
And then there's another mesh pocket here for whatever you don't want to lose.
And then there's a side mesh pocket.
So that's the
here
one
too.
you can access from the outside. On
That is
side,
awesome.
You can access that mesh pocket from the outside or the inside.
I feel like there's still stuff we might discover.
Well, there might be, but it is also supposed to be pretty simple.
This feels like so much better quality than the red one.
Well,
Like just in
so
like the materials, the thickness, the zippers.
the red one was $23 on Amazon. This was $130 on REI. So it better feel different. All right, REI ruckpack 40 liter in forest green. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. This is our first look at it, so I will circle back and do a review after we've traveled with this a few times and filled it to the max. Make sure you follow Megan, Meg For It vlog, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.